Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
21st Theater Sustainment Command's Theater Logistics Support Center Europe is repairing damaged M1A2 tanks at Coleman Worksite. Germans with the TLSCE have spent the last month and a half welding broken battery compartments on 5 tanks that were damaged during training. The TLSCE fixes broken equipment on a daily basis and works hand in hand with organizations across the TSC to return that equipment to the fighting force.
You know, not only, again, we're kind of focused on TLSC and the 3 gentlemen that we have down here doing a great job, but in short, this is a combined effort. This is a combined effort with the current workforce that we have here that are performing the day-to-day maintenance on this equipment. They too take great pride in ensuring that this equipment is repaired to the extent where, you know, we're confident when the warfighter gets on it that they've got a good piece of equipment.
Once these tanks are fixed, they will be moved to an Army pre-positioned stock site where they will be stored awaiting their next mission. For the 21st TSC, I'm Staff Sergeant Adrian Patoka, Mannheim, Germany.